Why are there not more people talking about enchiladas? They're the hidden gem of Mexican cuisine, and you've got to try them. Picture this tender, juicy chicken wrapped in a warm, soft tortilla. Now imagine it smothered in a rich, savory sauce that's a perfect blend of tomatoes, chilies, and spices. But wait, there's more. It's topped with gooey, melted cheese that just pulls at your heartstrings. The best part? Every bite bursts with flavors that dance on your tongue. Tangy from the sauce, creamy from the cheese, and a hint of smokiness from the spices. Whether you're a fan of classic red enchiladas or the creamy green ones, there's an enchilada out there for everyone. And trust me, once you've had a taste, you'll be craving them all the time. So next time you're thinking about dinner, why not treat yourself to some seriously delicious enchiladas? Your taste buds will thank you. Ready to dive in? Click like if you love enchiladas as much as I do, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering food adventures.